this is Sahib from TechTwix. Welcome to our channel, and in this video we will check the charging time test of this Redmi 3S Prime. As we all know that this Redmi 3S Prime has a battery capacity of 4100 milliamps. So let's see what's the charging time. And the charger provided by Xiaomi in the box is actually a 5V 2A charger. Let me focus. So as you guys can see here, output current is 5V at 2 amps. So we will see the charging time of this Redmi 3S Prime. So I will plug the charger here. So guys, before starting up, I want to show you that this Redmi 3S Prime is completely empty. It is having no charge, and as you can see the time is 3:15, and we will start the stopwatch here once this device starts charging. So as you guys can see, it is blinking the red LED. So now we will plug in the charger. So we have plugged the charger, and let's start the stopwatch here. So as you can see, now the time is 3:16 and this device is charging. So we will look at charging time after 5 minutes now. Guys, see that now it is showing that the charge is actually 0% now. Let me focus and show you. So as you guys can see, it is showing 0% charge. As you can see, we are near to 5 minutes mark and the time is 3:21. So as you guys can see, this device has charged just 4%. Considering the amount of battery it has charged 4%, and I would say it is decent. Not so good, but actually it's decent. Also good thing is it is also having LED indicator light on its front, which will show you while you are charging your device. So now we will look at after 10 minutes. Now we are near to 10 minutes mark, and let's see what's the percentage. So in about 10 minutes this device has charged 8%. As you can see, this device has charged 8%. So now we will meet after 15 minutes. So guys, as you can see, we are near to 15 minutes mark and the device has charged 11%. So in about 15 minutes this device has charged now 12%. So in full 15 minutes it has got up to 12%. So now we will meet after 30 minutes and I will reboot the device now. Guys, as you can see, the time is now 30 minutes and I have booted the device and it has charged to, as you guys can see, 20%. So in 30 minutes it can reach 20%, and now the LED color has changed to green, as you can see. So now we will come at when that all over time would be 45 minutes. So guys, after 45 minutes this device has charged 31%. So it's a bit slow, but let's see what's the battery percentage after a 1 hour. As you can see, now it's 1 hour since this Redmi 3S was charging, and let's look at the charging. So as you guys can see, it has charged 41% in an hour. So I would say it's decent but not that stellar. So now we will check the charging time after 90 minutes. You guys can see, after 90 minutes of charging this device has reached approximately 61%. So considering the battery size, it's decent, but actually it's taking a lot of time. So let's see after 2 hours of charging now. As you can see, the time is near to 2 hours and this Redmi 3S is still charging, and in about 2 hours it has reached 82%. So now we will meet after 2 hours 30 minutes. So guys, it's been 2 hours and 30 minutes since this Redmi 3S Prime was charging now, and let's look at the charging. So after 2 hours and 30 minutes this has charged up to 95%, and now when we will return it will be at 100%. So guys, it's 2 hours and 45 minutes since this Redmi 3S was charging, and in this time it has reached 97%. So guys, I will say it can get charged from 0 to 100% in about 3 hours, and I would say the charging speed is actually little bit low according to my liking, although I do note that it do not come with a fast charger. But if you guys want me to check this thing out with a fast charger, Qualcomm Quick Charge 2 supported fast charger, then do let me know in comment section down below. And this was pretty much it from the video. If you have liked, give this video a thumbs up. If you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel. If you want to support Techie Tweaks, affiliate links in description box down below. Use them while you are shopping. You will be charged nothing extra, but eventually it will be helping out the channel. And if you want to follow me on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, any social media network, all the links are given in description box down below. If you have any query, feedback, etc., comment in comment section down below. So this was pretty much it from the video. Hope you guys have liked. If you do, hit that like button. So this was pretty much it from the video, guys. Thank you for watching, and we will meet in next one.